Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here you will select the YZ exit plane, rotate view, take the circle command and from the center point make a circle here of diameter 130 mm. Finish sketch and here take extrude command. Take extrude of 15 mm. This will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command. At this end, we'll make a circle of diameter 30. Go to vertical constraint, select the center and select the center. Now here, take the circular pattern, select the circle, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. We are taking here 6 number of circles and press OK. Select this and make it construction. Again select it, make it construction inventory. Finish sketch, take extrude, select these circular profiles, okay, and we'll rotate this and here I'll take join. So this will be also 15 mm distance and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate, take the circle command and this time place one circle on the center of diameter 15 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, here I'll take cut. So this will be a 15 mm cut, a through cut and press OK. Now we'll pattern this, go to circular pattern, select this extrude 3, go to rotation axis and select this face. So it will take count of 6 and OK. Now select this face again, go to create sketch, rotate, and this time we are going to make the inner profiles. Okay, so for the inner profiles, here we will take circle command from the center point, make diameter 92 mm. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude and we'll take here cut command and here the depth will be of 10 mm and press OK. Okay, now go to part 2. Here you can see we have constructed this outer profile and we have constructed this cut profile. Now we are going to construct this profile and this profile and the last will be this center profile. Okay, go to part 1, select this face, go to create sketch, rotate. Now here take circle command, at this edge make circle of diameter 32 and here also dia 32. Take horizontal constraint, select this center, select this center, select this center and select this center. Escape, select this, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Take extrude, select this, flip the direction and take join. Take dimension as 10 mm and press OK. Okay, select this face, go to create sketch, rotate, take circle command from this center, make diameter 14. Here also we'll take diameter as 14 mm. Now finish sketch, take extrude and select profiles, take your cut and this time take all and press OK. So this will be a through cut. Go to home view. Okay, now for the center profile, select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command. Here from the center make circle of diameter 64 and one circle here of diameter 40. Okay, now take the line command and make one center line till this center point and make one line. Escape, go to dimension, define the angle between these two as 45 degree and escape. So these will be the reference lines. Select this, make it construction, select this, make it construction. Now here take the line command and make one line here Okay, go to dimension, define the distance here, escape, go to dimension again. We'll select this top end and select this. This will be 8 mm and the angle here between these two will be of 15 degree. Okay, escape. To make it more visible, I'll drag this up and drag this here. Okay, so this will be the dimension. From this end, I have taken 8 mm and the angle is 15 degree. Okay, now go to mirror, select this, go to mirror line, select this, apply and done. Now here I'll take extension. So take extend, select this and select this. So it will extend internally to make it a proper joining profile. Now here go to trim this extra profile, this profile. Okay, so this profile will be left here. Now finish sketch. Here take extrude. First we will take this extrude, the part extrude. Okay, so this will be of 10 mm. Okay, from here you can see this will be up to this face. Go to home. Okay, and press OK. I'll tell you why I have taken 2 times. Now go to sketch, make it visible. Now here I'll make first pattern of this. Go to circle pattern, select this feature, go to rotation axis and select this face. I have a pattern of 4 and press OK. Now I've taken this pattern here. If I have taken this sketch also, so would not be able to make the pattern properly. It will construct the process, but it would have made multiple bodies here. Now here go to extrude again and select this profile. Okay, so this will be the merging profile and press OK. Now select sketch 7, turn off the visibility, go to home. Okay, now we'll define the appearance. Here I have taken the magenta color, click M. Okay, we'll see the magenta color. If you want to change the colors of these holes, select this circular pattern, select extrude 3 and here we'll select the extrude 6 and the cutting profile will be this extrude 4 and here we'll define the aluminum finished or any finish you want. Okay, so this will be the output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a pattern design in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.